Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating easy culprits. Close heavy apps and confirm your PC meets Dead by Daylight's needs. Next, update GPU drivers and Windows so the game uses the latest performance fixes. Once done, disable overlays and set the game to windowed or borderless to reduce driver-induced stutter. Then drop render scale to 90 or 80% to lower unpredictable frame spikes. These steps reduce background interference and immediate frame pressure, so the game can run smoothly while you continue tweaking. You now tune both the game and GPU for consistency. Start by turning VSync off and capping FPS to a steady number like 60 or your monitor's refresh to avoid microstutters from fluctuating frames. Lower textures and particle effects and set shadows to low to reduce CPU/GPU hitching during complex scenes. In your GPU control panel, choose maximum performance and set the power plan to high to prevent dynamic throttling. Also confirm game priority is normal or high so the OS schedules resources reliably. You finish by validating the install and hardware path. Run the client's verify integrity tool, and if problems persist, consider reinstalling to an SSD for faster streaming. Make sure the discrete GPU is used rather than integrated graphics, and confirm power/thermal limits aren't causing throttling. If you still see stutter, monitor CPU, GPU, and RAM usage while you play to find spikes. One key troubleshooting tip. If utilization is low but stutter remains, try a clean driver install and test with a single-core affinity toggle to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.